Time and temperature. Reading time. Generally, time is written in hours, minutes and seconds as shown on the screen. We read the time as 6 hours 25 minutes and 32 seconds. Look at the time shown by the clock. It is 4 o'clock. The seconds hand is at 12, which means 0 seconds. The time is written like this. Now look at this clock. It shows 4 hours 30 minutes and 50 seconds. The time is written like this. Look at this clock now. It shows 4 hours 45 minutes and 50 seconds. The time is written like this. Time conversion. Conversion of days into hours. We know that one day is equal to 24 hours. To convert days into hours, we multiply the number of days by 24. If we convert hours into days, we divide by 24. For example, convert 4 days into hours. Multiply 4 days with 24 hours, which is 96 hours. Therefore, 4 days is equal to 96 hours. Conversion of hours into minutes. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. To convert hours into minutes, we multiply the number of hours by 60. If we convert minutes into hours, we divide by 60. For example, convert 340 minutes into hours and minutes. We know that 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Divide 340 minutes by 60. We get 5 hours 40 minutes. Therefore, 340 minutes is equal to 5 hours 40 minutes. Conversion of minutes into seconds. We know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. To convert minutes into seconds, we multiply the number of minutes by 60. If we convert seconds into minutes, we divide by 60. For example, convert 30 minutes 50 seconds into seconds. Multiply 30 minutes with 60 and add 50 seconds to it, which is equal to 1850 seconds. Therefore, 130 minutes 50 seconds is equal to 1850 seconds. Duration. Let us understand the duration of time. Amrita started for college at 8 a.m. and reached Ed after 1 hour 12 minutes. Find the time at which she reached the college. To calculate the reach time, add the start time with time taken by Amrita to reach the college. Starting time is equal to 8 a.m. Time taken to reach the college is equal to 1 hour 12 minutes. So, the reach time will be 9 hours 12 minutes. Therefore, Amrita reached college at 9:12 a.m. Let us understand the duration of days. Sakshi left for an excursion on 12th March and returned on 29th March. Find the number of days she spent at the excursion. To find the number of days Sakshi spent on the excursion, subtract the starting date from the date she returned. Starting date is equal to 12th March. Date on which she returned is equal to 29th March. We subtracted, it is 17 days. Therefore, Sakshi spent 17 days on the excursion. Temperature. Temperature helps us measure how hot or cold something is, using a scale that fits that object or place. Thermometer is an instrument used to measure temperature. There are two scales in a thermometer, Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. We generally use the Celsius scale in the thermometer. The basic unit of measuring temperature is degree, and the standard unit is degree Celsius or centigrade. The scale is marked from 0 degree to 100 degree. The freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius and the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Normal temperature of a human body is 37 degrees Celsius. A clinical thermometer is used to measure the body temperature. It has readings from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius.